For our standards, it hasn't been where we'd like it to be, with getting knocked out earlier in the Welsh Cup and then getting beaten in the League Cup final. But overall, I think that gives us a 20-point lead. I think at this moment in time, with one game to go, so the lads have done brilliant, really well. There was one point, I think it was 6 points in it, and then we really kicked on second half of the season. The lads performed, and again, no lack of complacency, everyone being right on it, staff working so hard to keep everyone going, and I think the lads well and truly deserved it, and the staff need to take a lot of credit for what goes on off the pitch as well. So we've got a real close knit and people pushing each other professionally. And look, again, 20 points is a magnificent, lead to have at this moment in time. So I can't be too disappointed.
Danny, congratulations! A great season again.
Yeah, it is, and we're a bit disappointed to not win anything else and not go as far in Europe as last year. But you have to win the league to get them opportunities, and we can only try and put that right next season now.
Well, you've won the league, but you've just said disappointing season in a way. Does that show the standards here?
It is, yeah. When Craig, day in, day out, he's pushing standards to everyone to be the best, and that's not going to change now. We're going to strive to be even better than we were this year.
Very happy, yeah. It's what we set out to do every year. We've done it quite early this year, but we don't take our foot off the gas. I think we've only lost one game after the split now, so hopefully we win next week, and we've 2 weeks' time and we finish the league really strong.
Yeah, it's a long, hard season with Europe and that, but what we need to do is what we're here for. We've got team has to win the league, and that's obviously the objective at the beginning of the season.
Yeah, you're obviously favourites every time to win the league, but complacency, that could come into it.
Yeah, 100%. But I think we've won the games we were meant to this year, and we haven't lost many. I think it's important, and like you say, don't be complacent and just win the games and get on with our work.